Hello and welcome to the final part of day 3, where we mix and divide signals. And we've come to the last part where we are going to make a buffered multiple. In the last episode we made a passive multiple, which was just passive components, just jacks connected together. And today we're making the buffered multiple, just like we did the buffered mixer. This one has a buffer on each output, so every output of the split signal is buffered and has its own power, so to speak, and won't affect the signal backwards and things like that. But result-wise, this must be the most boring module so far, because here is the... So what I've done, I take one VCO into the passive multiple, and which then goes to two cables, one blue cable which goes to the input of one of the buffered multiples out to another blue cable, so this is the buffered signal. And then the other one goes from the passive multiple, so this is the unbuffered signal, which doesn't go through the buffered. And it sounds like this. So it sounds exactly the same. Which is what we want, because we only want the buffered multiple to stabilize the signal, so to say. There's not much else to show how it works, so let's just go ahead and build this. So I looked online a few different schematics, and then I figured I'd just draw my own, because I want one in, two out. That seems to be the one that is most useful, because you often have one signal that you want to two places. Then you don't really that often want it to more than two places. If I do, I guess I'll just have to build another one. So a buffer, really simple. You have an op amp and you connect the negative to the output and the whatever input you have to the positive or non-inverted. I should speak in op amp terms, so the inverted input connected to the output and the non-inverted input connected to the whatever input you have. And I add a 100 ohm resistor because all other schematics online had that, and when people add something and lots of people do it, it's usually for a cause, or we are just cheap. I don't know. I kept it at least, and so this is it. We have 3 inputs, one there, and one there, that each goes to 2 op amps. So these 4 here is a TL074 and then another TL072 for the other 2. It's as simple as that, and really few components. One TL074, one TL072, 6 resistors and 9 jacks. So let's build this. So the version I'm doing is buffered multiple 3, 1, 2, 2. So here's the panel, 1 in, 2 out, 1 in, 2 out, 1 in, 2 out, and buffered, of course. And here it looks like this one is buffered to these 2, but it's actually the outputs that are buffered. Each output is buffered. So we are going to need one TL074 and one TL072 to have 6 op amps. So I'm going to use one of my proto boards again. To simplify this, it is way too big for this, but doesn't really matter. And now we are done with day 3. Tomorrow we are, in my point of view, finally getting to LFOs, which will get us a few other ways of controlling the VCAs and VCOs, hopefully a bit more smooth than what we've done so far with just square waves from the oscillator bank. This one was also a very small module, and as you can see from the last episode, I have removed quite a lot of space. I made another panel for the reverse avalanche, which saved me 2 HP, I think, and yeah, taken away a few of the modules to make space for more ones, which we'll make tomorrow and the days ahead. Again, hope you like this video and show that with a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe with the bell so you get notification when the next video in this series and all my other stuff comes along. Until tomorrow, take care. Bye.